Tired of the daily grind? Wish you could make money online without showing your face or spending hours filming? The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the game. With VidAvatar AI, you can create professional AI-generated spokesperson videos and turn them into a real income stream. No camera, no recording, no experience needed. Right now, thousands of people in the US are making money online with AI-generated videos. Businesses, marketers, and content creators need engaging video content, but hiring actors and production teams costs a fortune. That's where VidAvatar AI comes in. Here's how you can cash in. Sell AI spokesperson videos on Fiverr and Upwork, charge $100, $500 per video, create faceless YouTube channels that generate passive income, make training and explainer videos for businesses, every company needs this, offer AI-powered ad creation services for social media brands, and the best part, you don't need to be on camera, record your voice, or have any editing skills. Getting started is easy. Here's how you can launch your AI video business in minutes. First, choose a realistic AI avatar that fits your niche. Business, fitness, education, tons of options. Then type in your script or use an AI-generated voiceover. No need to record anything. Customize facial expressions, gestures, and delivery to make it engaging, and export the video and start selling or uploading it to YouTube. Many freelancers on Fiverr are making $2,000 plus per month selling AI spokesperson videos. Some creators are pulling in six figures from faceless YouTube channels. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Imagine waking up to PayPal notifications from clients buying your AI-generated videos while you sleep. No exhausting meetings, no deadlines, just a few clicks and you're making money. The demand for AI-generated videos is skyrocketing. Start now and you'll be ahead of 99% of people still stuck in the old way of making content. The AI video revolution is already happening. Will you be a part of it? Click the link below to try VidAvatar AI and start making money with AI videos today. Don't wait until the market is saturated. Take action now and secure your spot in the AI gold rush.